Hi guys, you might be wondering why I'm recording. I was just like looking around in my car just staying. And I found this scent in my car. There's a little scent here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's a scent. I think if you guys can see it. By the way, I'm in the UAE in Dubai. So like I don't know how I found this. By the way, I didn't put it here. I only have reals and an old dirham. So I think I'm gonna save this. And I might show it to you guys eventually when I need it. Anyways, bye guys! Peace! Sorry for the inconvenience and keeping it silent.